Previously on Rangoli RC.
I think I got a psychological problem with this car. Ooh. God damn. Oh, the wheel came off. God damn it. What the fuck? The fucking screw came out. I'm probably gonna upgrade the servo because I think it's just too slow. Yeah, that's no good. That's super slow. A screw fell out. Come on now. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so I got the upgraded servo. And a brand new pair of stock tires that I had. So we're just gonna see if that servo was the main culprit. Already, I think I'm feeling it a lot more. I think the servo is just the stock servo is just weak. Yeah, already having a lot more fun with it. I think, I believe. Oh yeah, much more responsive. Whoa! Yep. 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 I'm pretty sure I wasn't having that control with the stock servo. Yep. Yep. Hey. Damn, let me move this cone out the way. Cone was fucking up my zone. Careful now. Can I thread the needle? Can I thread the needle? Needle threaded. Yeah. Yep. So it looks like that's my recommendation. If you have one of these and you feel that it's just not giving you the fun that you were hoping for, upgrade that servo. I'll put the one that I upgraded the servo with on the screen right now. Basically, this is pretty much stock. Well, I got a radio link transmitter that I hooked up. Yeah. Threading the needle. Yep. Bro, come on. I don't understand why the screws just keep popping out this motherfucker. I don't get it. My 2995 doesn't have this issue. I just caught that. I was like, let me look at these screws. Alright, let me go back to the house and get a screwdriver. God damn it. Alright, I think I'm measuring this at 2 millimeters here. This is janky ass, what you call it though? What is this called? I forget what it's called. 2 millimeters. Alright, so that's screwed 2 millimeters. At least that's what I'm going with. I don't know how to read this without the digital part. I'm a dummy. Let me see. Let me give it a try. 1.99. Looks like, yeah, I don't know how to read right there. Alright, I'm going 2 millimeters. That's a 2 millimeter screw I got in there, which I'm fine with the screw if it would just stop unscrewing. So what I'm thinking is I dropped that shit all over there. I'm gonna go with a 2 millimeter nut, like a lug nut or some shit, and then just put that on there and just try to capture that part, and then do the same to the other side. God damn. Alright, so until that nut arrives, just gonna try a little temporary fix here. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Some Gorilla Tape. Some old Gorilla Tape. The more I think about it, I don't think it's gonna work. I just want to burn the rest of this pack. Oh yeah, that ain't gonna work. What you think? That's gonna work? I don't think that gonna work. What can I do on the top? Can I put? All right, go with that. All right, come on, Gorilla Tape. I don't have confidence in it. That's really not a fix. I was just going for a little temporary something, but I don't know. I was thinking about putting crazy glue on it, but I'll just order them damn nuts and not drive this motherfucker. Is this a curse card? I just want to love you. Making it hard for me. That servo's probably like, if I remember, 30 bucks. And I gotta order some more lug nuts. I guess you don't have to hook up the transmitter like I did. I'm saying, like, this cheap RC car starting to add up to be not so cheap. That servo did it though. Only these damn screws would stay screwed. How's that? This thing handles real good now. And when I got it, like after maybe the third pack, I did tune the diffs, put 1,000,000 weight in the center, 100K in the back, 50K in the front. I think the screw look good so far. I'll have to check my damn microphone. Yo, sometimes I feel I should just give up. Like, ain't shit working for me recently with these damn RC videos. Woo. Yeah, man. I take it. Anything bad I said about these tires, I take it all back. I like them a lot. I like these tires quite a bit. And the crazy thing is, this servo ain't even that quick. I think it's just like a strong servo, but it's not too quick. But yeah, that stock servo was just so slow. It's unbearable. Hit up some of these leaves. Nice. There's something metal clang out. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Man, I'm really liking it. If I can just fix this goddamn screw problem, I think hopefully a 2mm nut will do. Good. Got an old ass pillowcase. Alright, let's play hit the bottle. Way off. Gotta stand over here to hit this bottle. Whoa. There it is. Backed it up. That's right, bottle. Suck on that. Oh, Nelly. All right, let's check that screw. Whoa. Got a quick forward to reverse transition. Let's check the screw. Oh yeah, there it is. All right. Yeah, maybe. Nice. And somebody who's watching me. I hope they got a chuckle. I can share the parking lot. All right. Stay on this. Well, you know what? That's a wrap on that thing. Fuck it. Servo fixed the issue, but the screw issue still remains. To be continued. Okay, so this car came to the rescue. The wheel nuts for this car, the K9, the WL Toys K9 69, I believe it is, or K9 89. I think it's the K9 89. That's the wheel nut that is gonna fit on this, so I don't have to order any off of Amazon. Fits real good. I put a little bit of Loctite on it, and I just took the stock one out the other side, so I don't have any issues. I'm just gonna do it on both sides. I think that's the move. The screw, where is the damn pack of screws so I can show you guys? This is it. This is the pack of screws. The M2 4x16mm. So there you go. This is how you fix this HAIBOXING 29978. God damn it. Just name these motherfuckers. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.
Peace.